Poetry, Contagious Life. Poetry, Contagious Life. Poet Anikul Islam. No extra sex contact. No extra sex contact. No extra other sexual intercourse. Please, 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 no sexual disease. Carry for germ of HIV/AIDS disease. Contagious sexual disease. So control for man's and woman's life. Try to couple up husband and wife. But can we destroy others' bad habit? Man to man and woman sexual disease. It's mind to mind bodies, busy of uncoupled sexual activities. Busy of uncoupled sex activities. Whose are creators irreligious life. Whose are creators irreligious life. So no contact for bad habit. So no contact for bad habit. You imagine that unblessing. So check up your fortune. It's evil for inclination and bad wish for bad life. That's destroy life immunity. Call to prescribed of humanity. No spread, no sexual disease. That's cause of irreligiosity. Ignore each other couple life. Ignore each other couple life. No uncoupled sex activities. No spread, no sexual disease. No spread, no sexual disease. No spread, no sexual disease. We want to well protected life and control for future generation ruling and control for future generation image ruling. Thank you.